Dear students, good morning to all. Today we learn about recombinant DNA technology. rDNA. rDNA is a form of artificial DNA that is created by combining two or more sequences that would not normally occur together through the process of gene splicing. Okay. Recombinant DNA is a form of artificial DNA. rDNA is created by combining two or more sequences that would not normally occur together through process of gene splicing. Recombinant DNA technology is a technology which allows DNA to be produced via artificial means. The procedure has been used to change DNA in living organisms. Recombinant DNA technology is one of the recent advances in biotechnology. Recombinant DNA technology. The basic procedure of recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant technology begins with the isolation of gene of interest. The target gene is then inserted into plasmid to form replicon. Second one, the replicon is then introduced into host cell. Next, the cloned replicon is referred to as recombinant DNA. The procedure is called recombinant DNA technology. Cloning is necessary to produce numerous copies of DNA. Clone is a population of identical organism derived from a single parental organism. A collection of molecules or cells, all identical to an original molecule. Okay, a collection of molecules. 6 steps of recombinant DNA technology. First one, isolating. Second one, cleavage. Third one, ligation. Fourth one, transforming. Fifth step is cloning, and sixth step is screening. Okay. 6 basic steps are common to most recombinant DNA technology. First step is isolation and purification of DNA. Both vector and target DNA molecules can be prepared by a variety of routine methods. In some cases, target DNA is synthesized in vitro. Next, second step, cleavage of DNA at particular sequences. DNA is usually sleeved by treating with commercially produced nucleases and restriction endonucleases. Next, ligation of DNA fragments. A recombinant DNA molecule is usually formed by sleeving the DNA of interest to insert DNA, then ligating insert DNA to vector DNA. Introduction of recombinant DNA into host cell. In order to be propagated, recombinant DNA molecule must be introduced into host cell. The direct uptake of foreign gene by a host cell is called genetic transformation. A replication and expression of recombinant DNA in host cell. Cloning vectors allow insert DNA to be replicated, and the ability to clone and expression DNA depends on choice of vector and host. Next, identification of host cell that contain recombinant DNA of interest. Vectors usually contain some genetic markers. DNA cloning in a plasmid vector permits amplification of DNA fragment. Enzymatically insert DNA into plasmid vector. Transformed cell services. Plasmid replication, cell multiplication. Isolating DNA, first step. Isolating DNA, vector and target gene. How to get a target gene? PCR method is used to amplify DNA sequences. PCR, polymerase chain reaction, can quickly clone a small sample of DNA in a test tube. Reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction is a polymerase chain reaction. Reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. Vectors. Cloning vectors can be plasmids, viruses, bacteriophage, artificial chromosomes. All cloning vectors have in common at least one unique cloning site. A sequence that can be cut by restriction endonuclease to allow site-specific insertion of foreign DNA. The most useful vectors have several restriction sites. Types of vector: plasmid vector, bacteriophage vector, virus vectors, and shuttle vectors, and yeast artificial chromosome. Next, plasmid vectors. Plasmids are circular double-stranded DNA molecules. Plasmids can replicate autonomously within a host. Plasmids frequently carry genes resistance to antibiotics such as tetracycline, ampicillin, and kanamycin. The expression of these marker genes can be used to between host cell that carry vectors PBR322. PBR322 was one of the first versatile plasmid vector developed. PBR322 contain origin of replication and a gene that help regulate number of copies of plasmid DNA in cell. PBR322 or two marker genes are present: resistance to ampicillin and resistance to tetracycline. PBR322 contains a number of unique restriction sites that are useful constructing recombinant DNA. Next, enzymes. Restriction endonucleases and DNA ligase, reverse transcriptase, DNA polymerase, nuclease, terminal transferase. Restriction enzymes and DNA ligases allow insert of DNA fragment into cloning vectors. Restriction enzymes and DNA ligase allow insert of DNA fragment into cloning vectors. Restriction enzymes sleeve DNA. The same sequences of bases is found on both DNA strands but in opposite orders. This arrangement is called palindrome. Palindrome are words or sentence read the same forward and backward. Sticky ends. Single stranded ends that have tendency to join with each other. Restriction enzymes cut DNA chains at specific locations. Restriction enzymes are endonucleases produced by bacteria that typically recognize specific 4 to 8 base pair sequences called restriction sites. Restriction sites commonly are short polydromic sequences. Okay. Restriction enzymes or endonucleases produced by bacteria. Restriction sites commonly are short polydromic sequences. That is, restriction site sequences is the same on each DNA strand, 5' to 3' direction. Cut off the gene. Restriction enzymes. Restriction enzymes are named after bacterium from which they are isolated. E. coli. E. coli is from E. coli. Restriction enzyme is from E. coli. Next, BAM. BAMHI. BAMHI is from, okay, BAMHI is from Bacillus amyloliquefaciens. The first 3 letters in restriction enzyme name consisting of first letter of genus and the first two letters of species. This may be followed by strain designation. Okay, a Roman numerical I to indicate order of discovery. Blunt ends. Each enzyme recognize and sleeve as specific double-stranded DNA sequence that 4 to 7 BP long. These DNA cut result in blunt end. Sticky ends are particularly useful in constructing hybrid. Okay, sticky ends are particularly useful in DNA molecule. Okay, sticky ends are particularly useful in constructing hybrid. Digestion with restriction endonucleases can result in the formation of DNA fragments with sticky and blunt ends. This is important consideration in devising cloning strategies. Okay, bacterial species, enzyme name, and recognition sequences, cleavage sites, recognition sequences and cleavage sites. Okay, several bacterial species and enzyme name. Suppose E. coli, Escherichia coli, E. coli. This is cleavage sites. Inserting DNA fragment into vectors. DNA fragments with sticky ends and blunt ends can be inserted into vector DNA with the aid of DNA ligases. Purposes: DNA cloning. Purified DNA ligase is used to join end of restriction fragment. The vector DNA and restriction fragment are covalently ligated together through standard 3' to 5. DNA ligase paste the DNA fragments together. Using the plasmid PBR322, a piece of DNA is inserted into unique PSTI site. Next, screening. Cloning DNA molecules are sequenced. Cloning DNA molecules are sequenced rapidly by dideoxy chain termination method. Polymerase chain reaction amplify a specific DNA sequences from a complex mixture. Blotting technique permit detection of specific DNA fragments and mRNA with DNA probes. Okay, once again, screening. Gel electrophoresis allow separation of vector DNA from cloned fragments. Okay, gel electrophoresis allow separation of vector DNA from cloned fragments. Cloned DNA molecules are sequenced rapidly by polymerase chain reaction amplify a specific DNA sequence from a complex mixture. Okay, screening methods, example gel electrophoresis, polymerase chain reaction, and blotting techniques. Southern blotting technique can detect a specific DNA fragment in a complex mixture of restriction fragments. First, Southern blot, DNA is probed. Okay. Southern blotting, types of blotting techniques. First one, Southern blotting. Southern blotting technique is first nucleic acid blotting procedure developed in 1975. Southern blotting is the technique for specific identification of DNA molecule. Next, Northern blotting. Northern blotting is the technique for specific identification of RNA. Next, Western blotting. Western blotting involve identification of proteins. Okay, once again, types of blotting techniques. First one, Southern blotting. ఇక్కడ Southern blotting technique is the first nucleic acid blotting procedure developed in 1975 by Southern. ఇక్కడ Southern blotting is the technique for the specific identification of DNA molecules. Okay, Northern blotting is the technique for specific identification of RNA. Next, Western blotting involves the identification of proteins. Next, applications of recombinant DNA technology. First one is analysis of DNA structure. Applications of recombinant DNA technology. First one, analysis of gene structure and expression. Next, pharmaceutical products like drugs and vaccines. Next, GMO, genetically modified organisms, transgenic plants and transgenic animals. Pharmaceutical products. Some pharmaceutical applications of DNA technology. Production of vaccines, large scale production of human hormones, a number of gene products, insulin, interferons, growth hormones are produced commercially from cloned genes. Pharmaceutical companies already are producing molecules made by recombinant DNA to treat human diseases. Recombinant bacteria are used in the production of human growth hormone and human insulin also. Recombinant cells to mass produce proteins, bacteria, yeast, and mammalian. Example, some protein product of recombinant DNA technology. Okay, human insulin made in E. coli, treatment for diabetes. Next, human growth hormone made in E. coli, treatment for growth defect. Okay, factor 8, mammalian cells, treatment of hemophilia. Okay, Taxol made in E. coli, treatment for ovarian cancer. Okay, some protein product of recombinant DNA technology. Human insulin, human growth hormone, bovine growth hormone, cellulase, Taxol, hepatitis B vaccine. Insulin easily produced by bacteria. Okay, growth hormone easily produced by bacteria. Genetically modified organisms. Use of recombinant plasmid in agriculture. Plants with genetically desirable trait, herbicide or pesticide resistance, corn and soybean. Decrease chemical insecticide use, increase production. Next, golden rice with beta carotene required to make vitamin A, which in deficiency causes blindness. Okay, this is GMO, GMO, genetically modified organisms. Okay, golden rice. Crop have been developed that are better tasting, stay fresh longer, and are protected from disease and insect infest. Okay, this is golden rice. Golden rice has been genetically modified to contain beta carotene. Genetic engineering of plants. Plants have been bred for transgenic plants. Genetically modified crop. Example, sweet pea, seedless plants, sugarcane with corn gene, rice with beta carotene, bananas resistant to fungal infection, herbicide resistant cotton. The luciferase gene from a firefly is transferred into tobacco plant using the TI plasmid. Next, insect resistant tomato plants. Next, these are transgenic animals. A transgenic mouse. Transgenic plants and animals have genes from other organisms. Next, other benefits of genetic modified organisms. First advantages is disease resistance. There are many viruses and fungi, bacteria that cause plant diseases. Cold tolerance and drought tolerance. Okay. Application in medicine. Human gene therapy, forensic evidences, and diagnosis of genetic disorders. Human gene therapy seeks to repair damage caused by genetic deficiency through introduction of functional version of defective gene. Gene therapy hold great potential for treating disorders Recombinant DNA is defined as hybrid DNA. rDNA production involve the following steps. First step is identification of desired gene. Next, isolation of desired gene of DNA from source organism, either plant or animal. Different methods are used for isolation of DNA. Chemical synthesis, mechanical sharing, and cleavage by restriction enzymes, and RNA directed synthesis. Next, identification and isolation of vector. Cutting of desired DNA and vector DNA with the same restriction enzyme to generate ligating ends. Construction of recombinant DNA by joining desired DNA and vector DNA with ligase enzyme. It is essential to prepare rDNA. Okay, construction of recombinant DNA by joining desired DNA and vector DNA with ligase enzyme. Ligase enzyme essential to prepare rDNA. Transfer of rDNA into host bacterial cells. This is process is known as transformation. Transfer of rDNA into host bacterial cells. This process is called transformation. Next, selection of bacterial cells having rDNA. Next, multiplication of rDNA along with bacterial cells. Transfer of rDNA into target host cell. Expression of desired gene in target organism to obtain desired products. First one, isolation of desired gene. Okay, methods. Mechanical sharing. Next, shotgun method. Shotgun method involve restriction digestion of cellular DNA by using specific restriction endonucleases generating DNA fragments. Next, enzymes used in gene cloning. Restriction enzymes, ligases, polymerases. Gene cloning vectors. 4 types of cloning vectors are commonly used in gene cloning: plasmids, casmid, and phagemids, and bacteriophages. Applications of rDNA technology. First of all, agriculture applications. Agriculture applications. Herbicide resistant transgenic plants. Soya bean and cotton varieties also developed. Insect resistant transgenic plants. Insect resistant transgenic crop carrying Bt toxin genes have been developed for control of insect damage. Bt genes was isolated from a Bacillus thuringiensis and inserted into number of crop plants. Bt cotton variety resistance to ball insect. Next, disease resistant transgenic crop plants. Transgenic crop plants resistant to viral, bacterial, and fungal diseases are being developed. Transgenic plants have been produced in tobacco, tomato, and potato, which are resistant to spectrum of plant viruses. Code protein gene from TMV has been transferred to tobacco. Next, abiotic stress resistant transgenic crop plants. Transgenic plants for improved crop productivity. Transgenic plants for nitrogen fixation. Transfer nitrogen fixing genes from bacteria associated with legumes to other crop plants. These genes, largely responsible for processes, have been cloned and transferred to genome of plant cells. Transgenic plants for improved nutritional quality. Transgenic plants have also been produced to provide functional food. Medicinal applications. Medicine has been and will continue to a major benefit of recombinant DNA technology. Production of recombinant proteins, production of recombinant vaccines, and diagnosis of disease and gene therapy and forensic science. Some human proteins that have been produced by recombinant DNA technology for treating various diseases of man. Okay, next, environmental applications. Biodegradation of toxic waste, removal of spoiled oil. Next, transgenic plants for phytoremediation. Transgenic plants have been developed for detoxification of soil. Okay. Once again, applications of recombinant DNA technology. Pharmaceutical products, large scale production of human hormones and production of vaccines. A number of gene products are produced: insulin, interferons, growth hormones are produced commercially from cloned genes. Recombinant bacteria are used in production of human growth hormones. Okay, some protein products of recombinant DNA technology: human insulin, cellulase, taxol, factor 8, interferons. Insulin easily produced by bacteria. Next, GMO, genetically modified organisms. Plants with genetically desirable trait. Golden rice. This is transgenic plants, genetically modified crops. Transgenic plants, herbicide resistant transgenic plants. Soybean and cotton varieties also developed. Herbicide resistant transgenic crops are developed. Insect resistant transgenic plants. Insect resistant transgenic crop carrying Bt toxin genes. Bt toxin genes have been developed for control of insect damage. Bt toxin genes was isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis and inserted into a number of crop plant. Okay, once again, insect resistant transgenic plants. Insect resistant transgenic crop carrying Bt toxin genes. Bt toxin genes was isolated from Bacillus thuringiensis. Bt toxin genes inserted into a number of crop plant. Disease resistant transgenic crop plants are produced. Transgenic plants for improved crop productivity. Transgenic plants for nitrogen fixation. Next, transgenic plants for improved nutritional quality. Okay. Insect resistant tomato plants. This is transgenic animals. Okay. Thank you.